is here.
Yung ano,
Matcha! Matcha, tingin ka naman sa akin. Hi, Cream! Cream! Patingin ang face! Cream! Peaches! Daddy! Ayaw mo mag-water? Cream. Peaches. 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 Peaches, come here. Ah, aray, 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 aray. So this is our room. This one is located sa 3rd floor ng The Circle Hostel. And pagpasok ng room, nandito agad yung bathroom. Open lang natin yung lights. May small mirror here. Then sink. Then may shower. And then oh, matcha. Matcha baby. Matcha baby. So, may mirror din here na decent enough naman to see my outfit. And then, etong trash bin, nandun yan. Nandun banda ka. So, masyadong sisikip yung daanan. If dito ko ilalagay yung maleta, then dun yung trash bin. So, nilipat ko na. Then, ayan, may sampayan here. And may hangers din. Tapos, this rack, wooden rack, where namin nilagay yung mga gamit. And then this is the bed. And here naman, kita yung view ng labas. Ayan, may balcony siya. And we can actually go here. Outside. Siguro sa gabi kasi mainit right now. Ayan, we can sit here. And then that's the view. Ang kabahayan. Okay, mainit. We are preparing to go outside and I'll be using this one for my body. Sa face, ang ginamit ko is yung Sunkissed kasi it's good under makeup. So this one for the body. Hindi mo na, nagme-melt na eh. Pinatry ko kasi sa kanya sa face to since this claims to be for the face and body. Then for other parts naman, I'll be using this one kasi mas easy siya ilagay. Ayun na yung laundry bag. With matcha. Matcha, can I see your face? Oh, she's excited to go out na talaga. Oh, nauuna pa sa amin ni daddy niya. Yung accommodation namin, super near lang sa beach. Like, isang tawid, ganun. Tapos, near na siya sa beach. Hindi man siya beachfront, pero super walkable naman. Hi, baby.
Ay!
Hi, Shai. Ano si Shai?
Ay!
Here, super lapit lang din namin sa mga sikat na places. Like, 7-Eleven, ayun siya. And then, yung Silong, nandito lang din. Super lapit lang talaga. Kaya maganda din yung nakuha namin na space. Hi, Matcha! You having?
Dirty horchata.
How is it?
It's horchata dirty.
I'm having chai latte. Sarap.
Hindi ko pa kayo nakapaglaro kanina.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for this day. I'm so grateful. I get to experience days like this in this lifetime. I'm just so grateful. Masarap mabuhay. There are a lot of...
Tapos mamaya sa kalsada na tayo maglakad.
Sobrang daming araw doon. Yung parang ayoko na ako.
Ha? Ano?
Wala! Nakakainis! Ayun, Lord, ikaw na lang nakakaalam mo. Sure.
Panoorin ko na lang yung vlog niya para malaman ko yung sinabi niya, guys.
Sasabihin ko na. Sabi ko kasi kanina,
Ah,
I'm so grateful for days like this na I get to experience this in this lifetime. Kahit na sobrang daming araw na din yung ang daming beses na din na sinabi ko ayoko na mabuhay, gano'n. But still, life is beautiful.
I think this is what you get for not giving up.
Sana nga. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, universe.
Lahat nga pala pagkain dito.
This is the day to outfit. I'm wearing a dress from Forever 21 and the bikini is from Shein. His shorts is from Shein as well. This one is from Pukai. And his bag is Nike. My basic boyfriend.
Paya.
Hey, wala kang ulo. We're going outside to get some breakfast because I'm hungry. It's currently 8:16 a.m. Ihatid muna namin si Matcha sa daycare. Ayan, excited naman siyang pumunta sa daycare. This is the look.
Doon ka magawa.
So we're going to Karuba to buy some breakfast. And mag-uuwi din kami ng pastries nila and breads. Pastries and bread or pastries lang. We'll see. Bonjour, Karuba.
Sobrang may gusto.
We're currently here sa Karuba. We're waiting for our breakfast and I got myself an iced matcha latte. So for this episode of Sip and Drink, we are sponsored. Charot. Finally got the goods. Doon na kami mag-i-eat sa hostel namin. We're currently here at Coastal and super gandang mag-lunch dito, guys. Kasi kita yung dagat. And there's the beach. Ayun, super lapit lang. Then here. Hi, Peaches! Cream! Shy! Papansin ka naman sa dog dyan eh! Shy!
Ano naman ngiti mo, plastic na plastic?
Ano ba yun? Naka-video.
Ano? Ha? Ano?
It's currently 2:55 and we're gonna go for a walk again to the beach. This time, magsiswim ulit kami. Ito pa rin yung suot ko. Kasi kaninang morning, nag-swim na kami. So, magsiswim ulit kami. Hindi kasi nagbantay yung color ko. Like, dito namumula na yung face ko. Hindi. Nakakaloka. So, ayun. Let's go. We are currently here sa Clean Beach and drinks lang in order namin kasi 1 hour yung waiting time. Paano pag gusto ko na mag-swimming, di ba? Ay di kailangan pa namin bumalik here just because may food. What did you order?
Nitro, seaside nitro, something like that.
And that's
That's coffee with
nitrogen?
No. Yeah, somehow it's like that. Diba?
Bakit? Ang
Hindi ko, ay, sorry. Something like that. Tapos may orange to. Kaya siya seaside. Refreshing.
This one is ano to? Lemon and grapefruit?
Lychee and grape.
Lychee and grapefruit. Kaya it's pink. I'm so sad, hindi pantay. Naiwan yung leg ko. Magkaiba kasi yung sunscreen na ginamit ko. Sa face and neck, I used, tawag dito, Sunkissed. Tapos dito sa body, Belo yung ginamit ko. Hindi siya pantay. Naiwan yung leg. Buti na lang yung uniform ko. It is, ano yung uniform ko? Uniform ko is my color, so matatago naman siya. Nakakainis! Hey! We're here at El Chavos. What's this? After swimming and eating our merienda, now we need to look for a dinner something. A dinner something for the people with us. We're back here sa room and it's time for my bed rotting. Charot. Hindi ako makahiga sa bed kasi galing ako outside and I need to take a bath muna bago ako makapag sit here sa kama because that's my rule talaga to never sit with my outside clothes on the bed. So probably next time if we're gonna book a hotel, it should be a twin bed so that we have something to lie on with our outside clothes. Then, meron ding bed for sleeping. If you know, you know. We're heading outside ngayon and kasama namin si Matcha kasi nag-away sila ni Peaches. E magdi-dinner lang sana kami. Since nag-away sila, kasama na si Matcha. So here na lang kami mag-eat sa Tagpuan kasi we never tried this. No, first na punta namin dito sa La Union. So we're gonna try it ngayon. And we're also with the dog, si Matcha. Here we're gonna try their bagnet and pass. And I'm so excited to eat kasi hungry na talaga ako since nag-El Chapos naman kami after mag-swimming. Pero kasi ito pang rice and dinner time na rin naman. Currently, it's 8:40 p.m. So, yeah. Gutom na ako. Hi, baby ko. Tingin ka kay Daddy.
O, tingin ka, Machang!
Daddy.
Machang!
Napipilitan na lang si Matcha. Ayusin natin sila sa
Bachang!
Food is here, so I got my Elius Bagnet and his Paris. And share na lang kami sa drink na strawberry lemonade since magde-dessert pa kami later.
Sama lang natin si Ishay habang nagdi-drink tayo. Yung ano, sama ng Oreo.
Oh, hindi inabot. Walang food, nagtataping pa ng food. O, diba? Nag-agree siya. Parang yan may mama niya dito. Narinig mo ba ako?
Plain chok na.
And went outside to buy us some breakfast. We're having karuba again because this is so good. I'm having Thai latte. Thai tea or Thai latte? And he's having Spanish latte. Tsaka, what's this? Ano to, baby? Cheese roll. And something else. Yeah. Oh my God, ang pula ko nga. Hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
It's time to go now. We're done packing our things na din. Watch. So it's really time to go. Wala nang extension and everything. Having a quick lunch here sa Agu. Here sa Delicious Grill and Seafood Restaurant. And wait, ang baby. Excited na baby ko bumaba. Oh.
I'm with...
Hungry. I'm starving.
Where are we?
Tangi, where are you?
We are at the
We
very
are.
slow service restaurant.
Yes, here at Delicious. And it's fine because it's holidays.
Yes,
Maybe they
it's
are
fast.
understaffed.
Yes.
And there are a lot of customers.
And it's overwhelming for them.
Yes. So it's understandable.
Yes.
Maybe it wouldn't be understandable if we are the only one here, but the service will take so much time.
Yes. And we're with...
Bakit?
So sweet, so sweet.
There's an ice cream over there.
Huwag na. Nag-sugar na dito mo.